What happens when you sneeze? Ever wonder what actually happens when you sneeze? Let's break it down. It all starts when a tiny speck of dust enters your nostril, irritating the inside of your nose. Your brain quickly sends a signal to your lungs telling them to pull in air. Then your chest muscles rapidly contract, forcing air and that speck of dust out of your nose and mouth. But that's not all. Saliva and mucus also get ejected as tiny droplets, which can travel up to 27 feet. So yeah, sneezing is basically your body's built-in air cannon. Like and follow for more science facts.